Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the preview of my project, so let's get started. I'm using this watercolor book, which is like 140 pound, and then I'm using this card, which is from Sarah Renee Clark 059. It's a volume 1, and then I'm going to use this watercolor paints, which is from Angora watercolor paints, and then the brushes from Master Touch. Then I'm going to first use the pencil and scribble to get started. Then I'm going to use water and activate those paints, and then I'm going to put it on the page. You can either spray water and then do it, or you can do it like this. Anyway is fine. I'm just trying to do it straight on the paper and spread it out. Then I'm adding some water and then spreading the paint. So this is abstract, so you can do any way you want. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments. Then I'm using some water and then spreading it out. Then I'm going to dry this before I do the next step. I'm using this black Posca pen, and then I'm going to do some doodling. Then I'm going to use the stencil. This is from Crafters Workshop. And I'm using black acrylic paint. I like this stencil a lot, so you will be seeing this. You can see that I'm using this a lot in the projects. Then I'm using different stencil. So with this color of the background, black will be very good. So that's why I'm using black. This is like a good project for beginners. So then I'm trying different stencil. I'm just thinking whether which goes well with the next um, to add in the background. So this is like from Tim Holtz, and this stencil goes also very well in lot of projects. So it looks nice with the background, this stencil. So the next is I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to um, use this marker. I'm going to check it out which color goes with the background, and then I'm going to do some doodling. These are just regular markers. Then I'm going to add a different color, and I'm going to do some scribbling. So this will give some interesting texture in the background. So I'm just thinking whether to add more scribble. Then I'm going to add some more dots here. I want to make sure that it's the right color. So this is a very simple project for the beginners. So I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. Um, I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.